In January of 2020, Mike came to Baton Rouge to spend a little time with some of the salespeople, shared some great stories, but we're going to look back in time a little bit when EcoQuest, so Alpine, then EcoQuest, when they came out with the Laundry Pure, and it's gotten better since then.
Hey guys, we've got a unique and interesting product to introduce to you that's really going to revolutionize the way that you do laundry. And I really don't like doing laundry, so this is something that is perfect for me. I want to introduce you to Mike Jackson. He's with EcoQuest, and you guys are the maker of a product called Laundry Pure. And we've been talking about this because you don't have to use your laundry detergent. You don't have to use your fabric softener. Right. Nothing, just water, and our clothes are going to come out clean.
Absolutely. The technology is certified space technology.
Okay.
It creates billions of little cleansing agents naturally from water that literally take the dirt, the stains, the smells, the bacteria from your clothes and create clean clothes without detergent, saving a lot of money and helping with pollution in a major, major way.
So this is like similar technology like air filters, and sometimes when you see the vacuums that suck everything up and then it cleans it up through the air and sits it back in.
It's interesting you would bring that up because the technology was actually designed by NASA that wanted to clean air in spacecraft and in the space station. We retrofitted that into Laundry Pure to clean your clothes instead of cleaning air.
Okay. Now let's talk a little bit about how this works. You have a unit basically that you would plug in above your regular laundry machine, and then that does all the work for you?
Now, you don't have to replace your washing machine. It hooks up real simple. It takes 15 minutes. Cold water only. You never use hot water again. It's saving a lot of money. You're killing bacteria, viruses, cleaning your clothes, and not polluting the environment. It's so simple. I've used it myself, and I thought, wow, I don't know how to wash clothes. The clothes come out clean. They smell great. And getting rid of all that bacteria.
So inside the water, there are hundreds and thousands of little tiny oxygenated bubbles, and that's what's cleaning the clothing.
There's actually billions of them, and they lift the dirt from your clothes. Detergents and bleaches are what wear your clothes out. You buy a brand new outfit, you wash it a few times, it doesn't look the same, does it, Shelley?
No.
See, the reality is that's what making your clothes wear out. This technology keeps your clothes looking sharp and crisp and new, cleans them, and is really good for the environment.
So this is about $750, but you will make your money back in just about 2 years because you don't have to buy any laundry products, right?
When people ask me how much it costs, I say it's free because the amount of money you save on all those detergents, when you go down to the grocery store and you buy all those things, will save you a small fortune. And then the heating of water. The average family does 7 loads of laundry a week, 28 a month. It'll save a small fortune. It's interesting, Shelley, 1,000 loads of laundry start every second of every day in America. We can have a major impact on the environment. You bet.
Well, thank you so much. That's right. Talk about the environment. People with allergies, this is something that would be good for you. It's called Laundry Pure.
So this is what the Laundry Pure 2.0 looks like. And over time, things have gotten better, smaller, more efficient. Ask the person who shared this video with you how you can get your hands on one of these for your home.